What's up? What's up? What's up, honey? It is your girl, Miss J. She back in the house. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and make sure you hit that bell so you'll get an alert when I drop a video. And if you're visiting me again, welcome back. Thank you for the visit, honey. I surely appreciate it. Y'all see, I got some fried chicken that we bought from the store. Sure is. I got 2 breasts. I like a breast. I want to say my babies are beginning to like a breast. But they usually go for legs, thighs, and wings. And I usually eat the breast. But when there ain't nothing else left, I guarantee you everybody killing the breast, honey. Everybody killing the breast. Y'all see I got a salad? I'm about to pour me some water, honey. I got some pineapples. Yes, I got a little bit of pineapples. Now, y'all know I like those things they call thumbs up. I'm going to learn how to dance one day. I'm going to be able to thumb it up for you guys. And I love a comment. Leave a girl a comment. Talk to me. Please. Okay, so y'all like one-sided conversations. I see that. That's why y'all don't leave no comments. If y'all like the 2-sided conversation, y'all will leave me one. Okay, so y'all say, she talking to herself anyway. Well, not really. I'm talking to you guys because when I'm uploading, you get to hear me. Now, the etiquette, proper thing to do is leave a comment and talk back. So, hey, Miss G, how was your day, honey? My day was good. Thank you for asking. I surely appreciate it. I hope y'all day was good too as well. But I guess I won't know, huh? I would have got me some hot sauce, but y'all know I wanted my jalapenos to go with that chicken. That chicken breast still smells some kind of good. I ain't gonna tell no story, honey child. So I go, Stan went to the store and he picked it up. And then I used to put in the oven so I can get a little bit more crisp on it, honey. You know, make me, my kids think, they mama done fried them some chicken. They don't know. They don't know I went and bought that chicken. But Stan went and bought the chicken. All they know we're going to eat it. I got me a little avocado on here too. Now guys, y'all got to admit, don't that salad look good? I know one thing, it sure smells good too. I mean, it smells good. I got me some French dressing on here. Y'all see I got more French dressing on the avocado than I do on the salads because I like avocados. I mean, I can eat avocados with nothing on it, but I do like that little sweetness on my avocado, if I'm being honest with you. And that's why I like to pour the dressing on it. Can I tell you Miss G on an island by herself? Even I put long sleeve on because when I first came in this summer, it was a little chilly. But you know, in your 50s, it don't take long to get hot. Only women would know that. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It was smelling good while it was coming up from my mouth, y'all. So that's how I know it was going to taste good, because it was smelling good. When I put it up to my mouth, it was smelling scrumptious. The kids went out today. One of their friends were in town, so they went over another friend's house and they hanging out. And that's why I bought the chicken. Like, if they ain't here, I ain't got to cook right away. Be making no whole bunch of fuss. They would know. When they on their way home, they're going to call me. I'm going to put some rice on. They're going to have some salad. You're going to have some rice and they're going to have some fried chicken. And they're going to be happy. And then I'm going to, because they love bread. Either I fry bread, I bake bread, toast bread. They're going to get a couple of slices of bread and they're going to be good. And so I have the, oh God, what is the brand? Potato bread. And so I put, I'm going to take this one and you put the butter and you put it in a skillet. And I fry it back and forth in a skillet. They love it. That was some avocado. That was scrumptious. I'm telling you. That bite was all that in a bag of chips, honey. Is that how they say it? All that in a bag of chips? Mm-hmm. It was all that in a bag of chips, honey. Mmm. 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 Thank God for Jesus. Ooh, that is good. Mm-hmm. So everybody know I went yard selling over the weekend. I sure did, honey. I ain't gonna be telling you a lie. Chicken. Mm-mm. Mm. 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 That chicken is good. This breast is cooked good. Mm-hmm. Ooh, juicy. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's juicy. That breast is good. Mm-hmm. Don't be sleeping on no store-bought chicken. Especially if you buy it from the right stuff. What am I doing? I know this spoon have to go in the sand here. I do. My plate gonna act right, y'all. Don't worry, it's not gonna fall over on me. It won't do Miss G like that. It won't. So I hope everybody else had a good week as well as a good day. So far, so good. Like I said, it was a little chilly earlier. It's windy because I can see outside my door. I do have the back door open because I do love that nice breeze that come through while I'm in here doing this for you guys. I don't know when it gets so hot, you know, I ain't gonna be able to open that door. Ooh, we gonna have to pray. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Can I just thank all you new subscribers to me? Thanks for the support. But now, don't y'all forget to share me on y'all platform. Like, put me on y'all Facebook. Mm. Mm. Wow. My Lewis is going to be in heaven. And I tell you, Lewis love fruit. This pineapple is sweet, 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 honey. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Ooh, I promise you that's good. Mm. I mean, it's good. And y'all know where that came from. That came from the Aldi's. Mm-hmm. Fresh fruit. Best place for me to get it from is Aldi's. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That just now had a piece of avocado. Good. Boom. Excuse me, guys. I didn't even know I bit a piece of bone. But I did. Excuse me. I'm gonna need Stan to time me because my clock ain't up here. And y'all know I don't want to go over, honey. She want to be a woman of her word. And we didn't even realize the clock wasn't up there when I started. Ain't that crazy? But it's poof. It's gone. So by the time I drop this video, I think that's the week that Stan will actually be gone, or just before. Stan has been on a serious journey, honey. He's been doing a serious cleanse. It's a 12-day cleanse?
10.
A 10-day cleanse. And this is day what?
This is our 6th day.
He's on his 6th day. Yes. And he been walking 7 miles a day, honey child. Ooh, he getting ready for that Aruba tuba, honey. He like, Aruba, here I come. I miss you, boo. I'm serious. He's getting tight and right, honey. But, ladies, we all know who's gonna win in the end, honey. Cause he gonna go to Aruba, he gonna get his full of Aruba, and he gonna come back, and he gonna love up on him some Miss G. It is what it is. That's what's gonna happen. It's almost like if when you have a ladies' night out. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's almost like when you have a ladies' night out and you might go see some adult people. You come home, you know how you be ready? That's what's gonna happen with Aruba. I ain't mad at him. He really getting in shape for me. I am the beneficiary on that policy, honey. Put a pin in that. I'm here to tell you. I need some more of this chicken before my time is up. Stan being strong. 'Cause I promise you, we've been having some good dinners. And he haven't been having any, honey. Ooh, his mouth been watering though, honey child. He brought that chicken in here from when he went to the store, and he rushed in the door. He said, ooh, the cob was smelling so good, he couldn't wait to get home. He ain't stopped. He dropped that chicken off and went back to the store. I did it. Go on. Yes, Dan went back to the store, hoping that we would be finished eating by he get back. The kids was gone. He got to help me shoot this video, so he still smell that chicken. Soon as I bit in that chicken, he was in the background saying, good. Oh yeah, honey, it's good. Y'all got to pray I be as strong as Stan and make it in that garage. Please, Lord, let Miss G make it in the garage. Do 20 minutes of weight lifting. Help her out a little bit, honey. Well, guys, I did good. But y'all know what time it is. Can I just tell y'all, thanks so much for the visit. Thanks for letting me in your space. And thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. All of it. But this chick about to turn the lights off in here. She about to turn the lights out in here, honey. Deuces. Peace. I am out.